Hello, my name is Dan Faschingbauer, and along with my wife, Joanne, we would like to welcome you to LuLaRoe. Now today I'm going to be discussing how we created a telephone number for taking messages for our business. We didn't want to use our personal telephone number or our cell phone numbers for our business, so we're going to create an independent number using a service called Twilio, which allows people to call that number and leave a message, and then that message gets forwarded to us in an email that we can click on and listen to the message and get back with them in a timely fashion. I'm going to come over here to twilio.com. Now there are several of these services online. I just happen to pick this account for some other businesses that we have, and it's working fine for me, so I'm just going to stick with it. So I'm going to click on login. So just put in your login credentials, which is normally your email address and then your password. Click on login. And once you log in, you'll have to enter in your charge card information so that you can have a balance on file so that they can draw from that. And it costs $1 a month to have a phone number, and then after that you only get billed every time somebody calls you. So it's not like it's a big monthly charge. So it's really reasonable. Now I want to find a new number for our LuLaRoe business. So I'll click on this pound sign here, which is phone numbers, and come down here and click on buy a number. And I'm looking for a number in the United States, but you could use this pull down and select all these other countries if you'd like. But currently, since LuLaRoe is only in the United States, I would definitely have to pick United States. And then for number, you can enter in a location. So I'm going to put in our hometown here, Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin. And then you have a choice of picking the type of phone number you want, whether it's just voice, SMS, which is short message service, basically texting, or MMS, which is multimedia messaging services, if you want to send videos or that type of thing back and forth. So it doesn't cost any more to have all these services. So I'm just going to pick a number that has all these services available to me, and I'll click on search. And then it brings back a lot of different numbers that are available for you in your area. Basically, you just kind of come down through the list here and find a number that kind of trips your trigger. I normally try to find something that's easy to remember, but that's not always the case. If you don't like those, you can always come down here and click on refresh results. Alright, so as you can see here, it's given me Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin, and it's also given me Eau Claire, which is a town that's only about 10 miles away from us. So it's kind of giving us a area code of surrounding areas. But I don't see anything that's super intriguing. I mean, I was hoping to find something like 5,000 here or 6,000, something that was really, really easy to remember. But I don't see that. So here's a couple in Chippewa Falls. I'll just select this one here. So I'll just come over here and you can see that it has all these capabilities. It has voice enabled, it has SMS enabled, and it has MMS enabled. I'm just going to click on buy, and this just describes what I already went through. It describes what the voice message is, the SMS is, and the MMS is, and it will be $1 per month to have this number. I'll just click on buy this number. Okay, it says you have purchased it. Now I'll come over here and click on set up number. Click on that. Now you can give it a friendly name so that when you look at it in your telephone number listings, if you have a bunch of telephone numbers, it's easy to find. So I will call this LuLaRoe. Here's our number, here's the location, here's the capabilities, and then you can configure your voice here, figure messaging down here. Click on save. It says it was saved successfully. Okay, so now I will have Joanne record MP3 voice message, and then we can upload that and have that on file here so that when somebody calls our number, you'll get her answering machine message, and then people can leave their message, and we will immediately get an email with that voice message in it that we can play and get back to them as soon as we can. All right, so now if we just go back here to numbers again, now you'll see in the list here under friendly name, LuLaRoe. Here's our phone number. Here's all the capabilities it has. Here's our voice URL, and here's our messaging URL. Now I will come back in a later email and show you how to update these, the voice and messaging. All right, so that's basically it for setting up your phone number, and I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.